Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, January 21st. Wednesday wipeout. Once again, that's 3 Wednesdays in a row. The markets made new relative lows. E-mini S&P was down 3%. They were all down more than 3% across the board with that lower open. Extended those losses, but did come back. E-mini S&P was down 18 at the close, 1855, significantly off that bottom. New lows, new annual low, lowest that we've been in the S&P since the fall of 2014. 1804 was that low to keep an eye on. Dow futures down 196 at the close, 157.17, but more than 300 points off those lows that we saw yesterday at 15,356. And the Nasdaq actually came back and was positive in the last hour of trade. 41.33 for the Nasdaq 100 futures, down 11 at the finish. 39.83 was the session low below that 4,000 level. Currencies were moving around a bit. At the finish, we had the dollar index up 14 at 99.17, the euro currency 109.06, so still holding their placeholders here, 99 pressing on 100 for the dollar, and 109 pressing on 108 for that euro currency. Treasury saw a major boost yesterday, got as high as 161.18, highest we've been since April of last year, if I can remember correctly. 160.14 was the close, up 102. So as price in the 30-year went much, much higher, yields went lower and lower. Crude oil, obviously new lows. It's a new day. 27.50 was the low. That is quite a handle. $27. 28.35 was a close, down $1.20. That's kind of what started this stock sell-off, and it continues. And gold saw a bid yesterday back above $1,100, that 1,100 pivot that we've been talking about. 11.10 was the session high, closed 11.06, up 17. So after extreme volatility yesterday, even though we did not make new highs in the VIX for the year, the market made new lows. Where do these markets stand here on this Thursday morning? Well, we're off a bit. We're down 10 points in the E-mini S&P. I guess 10 points isn't that much anymore, 1845, but we've already seen a pretty extended range in the overnight session, which started yesterday afternoon. 1876 has been the high, so we were up significantly, and 1836 has been the low, so we were down 20 points at one time. Dow futures down 93 right now, 15,624, and the Nasdaq minus 20 at 41.12. The dollar index is steady, 99.14, euro 109.15, going nowhere, right at those solid number levels. Treasuries are seeing a little bit of a boost, up 13 at 160.25 after coming off that extreme high yesterday. An update on the yields, very much the same as they were yesterday morning at this time. 274 in the 30-year and 197 in that 10-year note, so still solidly below 2%. Crude oil, $28, down 35 cents, has not made new lows yet. That's the big news so far this morning. 27.85 is today's low. 27.50 was yesterday's multi-year, decade-plus low. And gold giving back some of the gains, 11.01 down $5. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, some spillover weakness here in the stock indexes, down 10 in the S&P, down 93 in the Dow, and down 20 in the Nasdaq 100. I will see you early Friday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.